Those are skateboarding dinosaurs on my socks. But this deck is brand new, so you're going to want to be shoeless too. I'm Mark from the locals at Ray White, and 2/11 Don Croot Street has it all, except the new owner. Let's take a look around. Two beds and a bath, affordable Auckland at its best. Some lovely renovations really make this the perfect first home. Or maybe you're downsizing, doesn't bother me. It's quiet, your north-facing private deck will occupy most of your time. Otherwise, catch the evening rays in your fully fenced front garden. It's in Kingsland, it's got an off-street park, and it's low maintenance. It's not even real grass. Come along this weekend. I look forward to seeing you there.